Hey y'all, welcome to Humming Catfish. Today we're going to be making some goldenrod fritters. So grab your goldenrod, put on your apron, and let's go. Yesterday was goldenrod harvest day for me here in Alabama. The goldenrod was at the perfect ratio where some of the blooms were open and others were still closed, and I took advantage of the day before the rain and got in a bunch. Goldenrod has a very long resume when it comes to medicinal purposes. Its genus name is Solidago, which comes from the Latin words solidus and ago, which means to make whole. So that right there kind of points to it being a powerful medicine. It's good for coughs, colds, the flu, allergies, and pretty much anything with the urinary tract. And that's mostly what it's known for, the medicinal part. But it is also edible, and the little flower buds that are bloomed have this unique flavor of almost like honey, and it goes really good in a fritter. Now today's recipe is really pretty simple. There is one thing I'm going to be adding, and that's some of the chestnut flour I made the other week. I'm going to be adding a half a cup of it. If you don't have chestnut flour or something, like that you want to add to it for a little bit of extra flavor and nutrition, just increase your regular all-purpose flour by half a cup. I'll put the full recipe in the description and a link to where you can read more about the recipe and what I did today, and a link to a PDF download so you can just download it, print it, and be done. So let's get to making some goldenrod fritters. These are so good. You can see it's just got the flecks of the goldenrod through it. You can taste some of the chestnut. Definitely make a big batch of this just for Dunkin'. I mean, look at that. It's so good. Just so you know, this is probably my 20th retake of the taste test. And I think I'm starting to figure out that I am doing it on purpose so I can keep eating these. Taste test, take 20. This has a really nice texture. And I think the ratio with the goldenrod is perfect because it's just kind of blending with the other flavors. The goldenrod gives it a hint of floral, but also like a honey kind of taste. The Muscadine Glaze is just phenomenal. I'd put that on anything. If y'all try this, please let me know what you think. Well, that's all I got for y'all this week. I really appreciate you watching this video. And if you like what I'm doing, I sure would appreciate if you hit the like button. And if you really like what I'm doing, I'd appreciate if you considered subscribing to the channel. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.